So I started off by making my bed. I originally wanted to buy a kind of burnt orange blanket for the bed, so like a comforter, but then I thought it was going to be too much orange because I already had so much orange going on with the decoration, so I just ended up using my regular bedspreads. Now I'm adding the throw pillows. The orange buffalo plaid, I bought those off of Amazon from last year, and then the burnt and yellow ones, those are from Amazon this year. I'll try to link both of them down below just in case you guys are looking for something similar, but I really liked the yellow ones. The material is super silky and soft, and I feel like that color just brought everything together. And now I'm putting this orange throw blanket. I thought this was going to be a lot bigger. I didn't read the sizing on it when I purchased it. I got the all orange one off of Amazon, and then this pumpkin one I got from Target. And now moving on to the nightstands, just wiping them down, and then I ended up adding a little vase. These little vases that I used, I actually did a DIY on them, I want to say 2 years back or maybe last year, I can't remember, but if I find the video I'll link that down below just in case you guys are wondering on how I did those. And then I just added this bouquet of fall leaves inside. And I had this cute little pumpkin light garland, also from Amazon, so I just added that to the bed frame. And then I turned on my fairy lights. I also have a DIY on how I did this, so I'll try to link that below as well. And then after that I moved on to my dresser, and on top of my dresser I have this really long mirror, and I added a fall garland on top of that. And then after I wiped down the dresser, I added some pumpkins. And then I also added this broom parking sign. I finally found a place for this. I couldn't figure out where to place it, but it made everything come together on top of the dresser. And then I moved on to these shelves, just gave them a quick wipe, and then added a few little Halloween knickknacks on them. And of course I had to add some bats that I had left over, and I just placed those around the bed and around the fairy lights. I really feel like the bats just kind of bring everything together and just give it that little spooky touch. And then I had to take out one of the Halloween candles. This is the perfect pumpkin candle. And who even am I if I don't add more lighting? You guys know that I am obsessed with lighting when I decorate. So I added this, it's like a lighted garland. I got it off of Amazon, and I just placed that around the dresser and the mirror, and it made everything just feel so much more cozy and just much more festive, I feel. And this is my 2020 fall bedroom makeover with a dash of Halloween sprinkled on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this decorating video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It does not go unnoticed. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.